Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make chicken jalfrezi, and I will be teaching you the way the Anglo-Indians used to make it. So this chicken recipe requires only 5 ingredients. Yes, you got me right, only 5 ingredients, and you don't have to go to the grocery store, and everything is readily available in your household. This is one of the quickest, easiest, simplest, and the yummiest chicken you could ever try. And once you have it, you are going to make it again and again. So let's get started. So I'm using here, of course, the chicken with bones, 2 pounds cut into medium-sized pieces, and rest of the 5 ingredients are 2 large onions sliced and divided equally in first and second portions, 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger and garlic paste, 15 whole dry red chilies, salt to taste, and white oil. That's all. I'm heating a pan and I'm adding white oil 5 tablespoons, and after that I am adding the white onions, the first portion of it. I am mixing this onion well. Now I'm adding the half of the dry red chilies, approximately 6 to 7 of them depending on your spice level, and I'm going to fry it really well until it turns light brown. Now I'm adding the ginger and garlic paste, and I'm going to keep on stirring it. I'm adding the chicken into the mixture. Now it's time to add the salt as per your taste, and after adding the salt, I'm going to mix it well. While the chicken is being cooked, now in another pan I will be adding 4 tablespoons of white oil, then the second portion of the onions, and the remaining half of the dry red chilies. I'm going to fry it all well until it turns golden brown. Now I'm adding the fried onions into the chicken, and I'm going to mix this entire thing very well for 5 to 6 minutes. Note that I'm not adding any water in the entire recipe, and this is going to bring the taste. You can see that the oil has started to separate from the chicken. At this stage, I'm going to cover it with a lid and going to cook it for 10 minutes in low flame. After 10 minutes, you can see that oil has started to separate from the chicken completely, and the color of the chicken has started to change to dark brown. This color is actually from the dry red chilies which we have used. So friends, here it is, the quick and easy chicken jalfrezi prepared in less than 30 minutes with minimal ingredients one can ever think of. Give it a try and I'm sure you will love it. Comment below to let me know how was it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Soumiz World if you haven't yet. See you soon. Bye bye.